My son's finally asleep over here in our bed. So, and he's coughing, so probably gonna have to give him cough medicine again. Um, yeah, he's still a little sick, but his cold's gone a lot better. So he's not all snotty like he used to be, but he's got a little bit of a cough still. So I think I need to start using the cough medicine that we got him, which I haven't really been giving it to him. But yeah, so my finally having me time. But I don't mind him, like, spending time with him and everything, you know, really love being on, but, you know, I can't really, like, go to the bathroom by myself and all that, so, but, taking some Tums because I have heartburn, but, yep. I think my nephew might be asleep. I don't know if he's asleep or awake. Looks like he's awake. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this vitamin C tablet. Ugh, nasty. Really tangy. This is Diet Dr. B. I only really drink diet drinks. Try to, at least. Try to stay away from sugar. I gotta clean this room. Kids got popcorn tonight. They got to enjoy that. We had mac and cheese for dinner and mashed potatoes. So, but my niece got my mom a knife set. So, she has a whole new knife set and the scissors that cut stuff, you know, like meat and all that. So, but I don't know where it is, but my sister got me a rose. Just a single rose. So, but I was gonna buy her something at Dollar Tree, but they had nothing that I wanted to buy her. Like, I was thinking about buying her a mug, but there was nothing that I liked enough. There was like this flower one with different patterns on it, but I didn't get it. They had this too because my sister really loves wine. I don't even know how to pronounce that properly, but she drinks that a lot, like every day after work. So they had wine glasses, but I didn't see any that I really liked. They had like sayings on them and all this stuff, so there was none that I actually liked, so I didn't buy her one. I loaned my brother some money. Like $25. I don't know. He's getting paid on the 17th, so he can pay me back then, but I don't even know how much he owes me. But I'm gonna go. Love you guys so much. Bye.